Every time you scrape ice off your windshield in the morning, or fumble for your phone to check a navigation app that froze again, you are paying for a moment of uncertainty to drag out. That adds up in minutes and irritation faster than you notice. AMP's fix exists, and it lives on your dashboard. 3 weeks from now, you pull into the driveway after dark, and your passenger reaches past you to grab their bag. They pause, then say, "Your rear window is really clear." It is not the glass, it is the camera mounted there, which you have already forgotten is even there. The thing that used to make you check the mirror twice at every red light just to be sure the recording light was on has stopped happening. You stopped noticing it because it stopped being a problem. The VIOFO A229 Pro 4K 3CH-Cam HDR for front and rear and inside with STARVIS 2 does one job. It records everything in front of, behind, and inside your car simultaneously at 4K plus 2K plus 1080p resolution. It does not navigate, does not call for help, does not guess what you want. That narrowness is the point. Two STARVIS 2 sensors, IMX678 and IMX675, handle the front and rear channel. The weight of the unit settles on the windshield without the slight forward tilt that cheaper cams develop after a month. The plastic housing stays cool to the touch even after an hour of driving because the built-in temperature sensor cuts power before heat distorts the image. The lens adjustment click feels deliberate, not stiff, like a door that closes with a solid thud rather than a snap. HDR covers all 3 channels, which means the glare off a truck's side panel no longer bleaches out the license plate beside it. The infrared cabin camera kicks in without a hum, and the 4 infrared LEDs cast a soft red glow that you only see if you are looking for it. Voice control responds to "take a photo" or "lock the video" without you reaching for the screen, which means your eyes stay on the road. The 5 GHz Wi-Fi connects to the app faster than the old 2.4 GHz band, and the GPS logger tags speed and position in 4 satellite systems. Here is who this is not for: anyone who wants to run it without hardwiring into the fuse box for parking mode. The HK4 Acc hardwire kit is not included, and without it, the 24H parking mode drains the car battery. If you need continuous recording while parked, look for a cam that includes a hardwire kit or supports a direct battery connection. If your actual problem is daytime clarity and nighttime license plate capture, the limitation is irrelevant and you are not paying for capability you will never use. This is what the channel does, one product examined properly, regularly. I am reading the manufacturer's own listing here. The spec. A careful buyer in this category checks first is the sensor type, and the bullets name it twice: STARVIS 2, IMX678 and IMX675. That pairing implies the camera can read plates at night, which is the whole reason most people buy a dash cam. What the bullets avoid stating is the SD card capacity, which is absent because none is included. That absence usually means the buyer must supply their own, and you should confirm compatibility before purchasing. The link is in the description so you can check what it is sitting at right now and decide if